Good morning and happy Tuesday, guys. A plus watch list for the May 21st session. So Bitcoin is heating up here. Futures are up about 1.5. I'd like to find an A plus setup here in the crypto names. Got a couple squeezes for BTC, 15-minute, a 2-day, and a 3-day. If we go check the 3-day squeeze, it's not quite A plus just yet. Could be getting pretty close. Good trend, good structure, bear momentum. If they can get that positive momentum cross, then we'll have an A plus 3-day squeeze with a target of 80,000 and change. So I am patiently waiting. If we go look at coin, we got a 3-day, 2-day, daily, and 4-hour squeeze here for coin. Over on the 3-day time frame, bull trend, neutral structure, bear momentum. Not A plus, and frankly not too close. But if we go check MSTR, that bad boy is A plus. We got our little white dot. Bull trend, bull structure, bull momentum. Perfect score of 12. And a target of 2,000 and change. I'd like to find a spot to buy it. Little bit overbought on the daily chart. And let me change this real quick here. Pretty overbought on the 1 hour. The first pullback to the 30-minute or hourly 21 EMA, that might make for a good entry. Let's go check Riot. And Riot is pretty ugly. And then BITO. The Bitcoin ETF, very neutral daily chart. Big 3 score of 3. And the 3-day squeeze, bull trend, neutral structure, bear momentum. Again, I'd like to find a crypto name to buy, but the only one I got for now is MSTR. I was going to say Mara. MSTR here on the 3-day time frame. If I can find a good entry on a little pullback, I will take it. And then Mara, daily, 3-day, weekly squeeze for Mara, but very neutral. Big 3 score of 5. Neutral trend, neutral structure, bear momentum. From that point of view, it might be a little bit early, but for now we got the MSTR 3-day squeeze. Moving on to MRK, and I've got the 135 calls for June. This one is A plus on the 3-day, daily, 4-hour time frame. We got our white dot here on the daily. If we drop down to the 1 hour, not A plus, but pretty close. The 4-hour squeeze is A plus. We got our white dot. And then the 3-day squeeze. Very solid with a target of 139-ish. So we got the calls there. And then jumping over to CCJ. The daily squeeze just fired. It was A plus. And now we got the 2-day squeeze setting up. And that thing's pretty clean. Bull trend, bull structure, bull momentum, and a perfect score of 12. The first pullback to an hourly 21. That might be the entry here for CCJ. Then we've got the Hood. Big move in Hood yesterday. They fired that daily squeeze, and the 3-day time frame is A plus. A plus with a target of about 22.5. Very much like CCJ. First pullback to a 30-minute or hourly 21. That might be the spot. So I'm going to keep an eye on Hood. And then we've got ELV. A plus on the daily squeeze. And then ADP. A plus on the daily and A plus on the 3-day. I'm sorry, the weekly. The daily and the weekly. It's a choppier name, but if anything can get it out of the chop, that would be the A plus weekly squeeze. We'll keep an eye on that one. And then what else we got? Broadcom. Broadcom on the weekly. Now keep in mind, NVIDIA earnings tomorrow. For better or for worse, it will have an impact on the semiconductors. With that being said, nice weekly squeeze, trend, structure, momentum, with a target of 1600. And then for the financials, we've got an A-plus daily squeeze here in Citigroup. Brand new daily squeeze, we're only about 2 dots in. But if the financials keep pushing, that could be a good one. And then TSM on the 3-day. Again, a semiconductor, so all eyes on NVIDIA, but that's pretty solid. And then one from yesterday would be the Netflix. Good old Netflix. 5-minute A-plus squeeze. Inside of a 15-minute A-plus squeeze. We got the white dots there. White dot means A-plus. Inside of a 4-hour A-plus squeeze. And that kicked off a pretty good push, about 3% and change. Now the call wall, as of this morning, lifts up to about 650. The next 5-minute, 15-minute squeeze, if they're A+, that could kick off the push towards that 650 call wall. Beast mode for NVIDIA, and then a quick look here at the futures, and that'll be it for this morning. S&P futures are very quiet, but a lot of squeezes. 4-hour, 2-hour, 1-hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute. 4-hour through the 15 are neutral. The 5-minute, not A+, but pretty close. Bull momentum, neutral trend, neutral structure. If they can flip the trend and structure and make that an A+ setup, could be good for a little push. And then the NQ, also flat. 1-hour, 30-minute, 5-minute squeeze, they're neutral. But we got a brand new weekly squeeze, and that one is A+. Same thing for the QQQ, the cash. Brand new weekly squeeze, bull trend, bull momentum, bull structure, perfect score of 12, and a target of about 470. Any pullback here in a weekly squeeze with a weekly buy signal, I think makes for a buying opportunity. Alrighty. Got a few for you this morning. We'll see what today has in store. We've got NVIDIA earnings tomorrow night, and a lot of Fed speakers coming up. Shall not be a dull week. And then a quick reminder, we are doing the Memorial Day sale. Coupon code MEMO30 for 30% off of the Big 3 Squeeze Bundle, which includes the buy and the sell signals, the bull and the bear targets, the Big 3 Squeeze histogram, the squeeze labels, the multi-timeframe labels, the scans, and as soon as we push the update here, any given day, the brand new Watchlist columns. All the above. So check that out. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, 7:45 a.m. Central, for the live pre-market prep. Adios.